आज जानते हैं मैकेनिज्म ऑफ हार्मोन एक्शन. Hormone produce their effect on target tissue by binding to a specific protein called as hormone receptor. और ये जो रिसेप्टर होते हैं दो टाइप के होते हैं. First one is membrane bound receptor and the second one is intracellular receptor. In case of membrane bound receptors are present on the surface of the cell. As a result, इसमें क्या होता है, hormones do not enter inside the cell. जैसे ही हार्मोन अपने रिसेप्टर के साथ हार्मोन रिसेप्टर कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्म करता है, it results into activation of secondary messengers. और जो secondary messengers होते हैं, for example IP3, calcium ions and cyclic AMP. And these secondary messengers, they will trigger the activation of biochemical responses. And these biochemical responses will further activate the physiological response. In case of intracellular receptors, hormones will directly enter inside the cell क्योंकि इनके receptors present होते हैं cell के अंदर. As a result, they will form an hormone receptor complex cell के अंदर. For example, estrogen, which is a steroid hormone, will enter inside the cell and it will bind to its intracellular estrogen receptor. As a result, it will form estrogen receptor complex, and this estrogen receptor complex will enter inside the nucleus and it will bind to a specific region of DNA. It will regulate the protein synthesis by controlling the gene expression. And at last, these proteins will lead to physiological responses like tissue growth and differentiation.